JavaScript has many different types of operators that we use all the time while coding. So let's just go quickly through some of them just so we get the idea and just see some gotchas that a few of them could have. So just so we have some idea of the types of operators that we have binary and unary operators. When we talk about binary operators, we always have two operands. In this case, if I want to sum 3 and 4, 3 and 4 would be my operands, and the operator would be the plus sign. I would just sum two different numbers, or I could use variables for that. The idea is the same. And for the unary operator, that requires only one single operand. The most used one is when we do x plus plus, which is the same as doing x plus 1, as we are going to take a quick look. But the most used one is the assignment operator. Whenever we create a new variable, we need to assign a value to that, and the way we do that is just using this equal sign. So whenever we have this single equal sign, that means we are just assigning a value to a variable.